Hi, we are the students of Veltech Multitech Engineering College. We are doing our project titled Implementation of Bio-Inspired Algorithm in Identification of Best Route via Ant Colony Optimization, Energy Level and Throughput with Encryption. Our project aims at developing a secure data transmission in wireless sensor network. Packets are routed via Ant Colony Optimization using peer and money value. When peer and money value do not exist, best route is chosen based on energy level, throughput. Cost is also considered for data transmission. In existing system, WSN has very minimum lifetime for data transmission, therefore packets drop is usually expected. The major factor to be tackled in the WSN is the network lifetime. A recent WSN routing protocol is defined as secure real-time load distribution. It broadcasts packets to perform neighbor discovery and calculation at every hop while transferring data packets. Issues in existing system are: packet drop usually leads to collision. Transmission of packets is not secure and time delay occurs. In our proposed system, Ant Colony Optimization is preferred based on peer and money value in the network, or SRTLD is used when peer and money substance is not present based on power, location, routing and security. In the modification part of our project, we also consider node throughput, cost apart from energy level. We encrypt the packets during transmission for secured communication. Ant Colony Optimization is the probabilistic technique. It is used for searching the optimal path in the graph based on behavior of ants seeking a path between their colony and source of food. In the natural world, ants wander randomly, and upon finding food return to their colony while laying down peer and money trails. If other ants find such a path, they are likely not to keep traveling at random, but to instead follow the trail, returning and reinforcing it if they eventually find food. Over time, however, the peer and money trail starts to evaporate, thus reducing its attractive strength. The more time it takes for an ant to travel down the path and back again, the more time the pheromones have to evaporate. A short path, by comparison, gets marched over more frequently, and thus the pheromone density becomes higher on shorter paths than longer ones. Thus, when one ant finds a short path from the colony to a food source, other ants are more likely to follow that path, and positive feedback eventually leads to all the ants following a single path. These are the papers we referred for our project. These are the softwares we used to do our project. This is the architecture diagram. When the peer and money value is present in the table, it uses ACO follows the old route path by using stored peer and money value and selects the next optimal path. When peer and money value or optimal path is not found, then it uses RTLD precise and calculates the peer and money value and stores in the table. Then it forwards the packet from source to destination. This is data flow diagram level 0. First, user has to register in the server it is stored in the database. User has to log in with valid details to create a network and node. In level 1, when user log in, he has to send request to send the packets before sending RC4 encryption is done and data is sent using peer and money value. When peer and money value is not present, it is sent using buffer level and throughput. In destination node, the data has to be decrypted. Module lists are: network deployment, route identification, peer and money calculation, throughput calculation, energy and cost estimation, encryption and decryption, best route identification and data transfer. Here is an example. Data must be transmitted from source to destination. The peer and money values are present for each nodes. N1 and N6 has highest peer and money value, so it is the nodes used to transmit. When peer and money value is not present, then it is sent using cost, throughput and energy level. N1 and N6 has highest throughput and less cost. We have published our paper titled Bio-Inspired Algorithm in Identification of Best Route via Ant Colony Optimization, Energy Level and Throughput with Encryption, in International Journal for Applied Engineering and Research. These are the reference papers. Conclusion: Real WSN testbed that consisted of 10 wireless sensor nodes, TELOSB, was employed in the open field. TOSIM was used to compile the BIAZARP routing protocol on a PC. The BIAZARP code size is less than the SRTLD routing protocol. Hence, BSARP can be applied to different types of radio sensor boards on different platforms. The testbed results showed that the BSARP routing protocol outperformed SRTLD. Nevertheless, the BSARP routing protocol-based WSN performed well, and its adaptable behavior when faced with environmental changes ensured reliable and efficient data transfer. This is our implementation process. This video shows how to run our project. We have used SQL Server for database creation. By seeing this you can understand completely